In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in Zoho Desk. Merging contacts is an essential aspect of managing customer information efficiently, ensuring that your data is streamlined and duplicates are minimized. So, let's dive right in and see how you can do this easily through your Zoho Desk dashboard. First things first, head over to your Zoho Desk dashboard. This is the central control hub from where you manage all activities related to customer service. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so by entering your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with an array of options tailored for efficient service management. From the dashboard, look for the Customers section. This is where all your customer data resides. To begin merging contacts, simply click on Customers. This action will lead you directly to a list of all the customers that have been added to your Zoho Desk environment. It's crucial to maintain an organized list, especially if you are handling multiple customer interactions daily. Now, when you're in the Customers section, the next task is to identify the contacts you want to merge. Carefully scroll through the list of contacts until you find the entries that should be combined. It's often helpful to have a clear idea of which specific contacts need merging before you engage with this step, as it can save you a significant amount of time and ensure that the correct data is consolidated. Once you've pinpointed the contacts you wish to merge, the next step is straightforward. Direct your attention to the interface where you'll find an option labeled Merge. Click on this option. Keep in mind that merging is an irreversible process, meaning that the data from the contacts you select will be fused. Therefore, verify once more that these are indeed the contacts you wish to merge, ensuring that you won't lose any critical information. Executing these steps will help you maintain a cleaner, more streamlined database of customer information. Merging contacts can often help in reducing clutter, ensuring that your team can focus on delivering superior customer service without the impediments of duplicated data. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to merge contacts in Zoho Desk. Remember, keeping your customer information organized is key to providing the best service, and Zoho Desk makes it easy with tools like the Merge feature. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide useful as you optimize your workflow in Zoho Desk. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources or contact support to help you get the most out of your Zoho Desk experience.